Before beginning today's video, please remember to like and subscribe. Hi everyone, I am back today. Today we are going to be planting a ton of plants for my garden. And here, I've actually done two right before this video. We have cucumber. Yeah, pretty cool. This is from the original seed packet. So, peas, that's all I've done so far. And these are cool Jiffy strips. We'll have the logo thing. Here it is, Jiffy strips. They're super cool. You can actually snap them. And I did that with this whole row. And it's actually pretty helpful for gardening. So I plant the seeds in here. I snap them up into like singular modules. And then I plant them in the larger pot and it just decomposes. So it's pretty helpful. So we are going to be planting garden beans. Sweet pepper. Oh my, you can't see that. Well, it's a sweet pepper. Hot pepper. Big Thai hybrid. Cucumber, beans, or peas actually. Beefsteak, super beefsteak. I saw this in the shop and I did not know what it is, so I got that. Let's hope these all grow well throughout the years. So, I got a pot, like a tiny little plastic pot. I filled it up with dirt from outside, which you guys definitely can't see. It's super bright. Well, for the camera it is, but it's also super bright. So, yeah, what I do is I get one whole of these, and like this much is exactly enough for one whole row. So I get one of these, fill in one, plant the seeds, boom, done. And then next one, and then next one, and the next one. So, yeah, not going to be time-lapse, just going to be small progress updates. See you on the next one. And on the end of the video, stay tuned, because I'm going to also be giving some tips for growing all of these, because I have grown them before. So, I just filled in all of the seeds. Oh my god, that's so cool. Whoa. Okay, but I filled in all of the seeds. Empty pot. I filled in all of the areas. Now, time to put in the seeds. I will just plant a single seed and show you guys. Okay, here we have it. I have moved up a bit. But now, yeah, we also have a ton of extra pea seeds. So comment down below what I can do with these in the next episode. The next episode will be just like me raw, just like doing some cool like film shots of all of the tiny sprouts. Yep. Then I'll have another episode of taking these apart and putting them in their own separate pots. So yeah. Okay, right now, if you can't tell, I'm opening the super beefsteak things. So okay, yeah, it's called super beefsteak, but look at the size of those seeds. Well, yeah, that's how all tomato seeds are. But those are tiny. Okay. I've calculated that with the peas, because the peas are kind of large. You can basically fit 2 or 3 seeds in each pot. These look so cool. Can you see that? Those tiny little hairs on them? Yeah. Okay. What I just do is for the small ones, I just drop them in, push, and then I cover. Yeah. Or another way I do it is I just make a tiny hole, drop a few in. I think this is much easier. And then cover it. Some of them might have a bit less soil, but it'll be fine. The germination rate of tomatoes is a bit higher. So most of these are going, most of these are going to grow. So, yeah. Let's hope these grow soon. Okay, I'm just gonna, as you saw there, that was it. Now, yeah, I'm just gonna literally jump cut until I finish like a few more. Boom, JK. I just used up all of the seeds. There's one on my hand. But I just put them all in pots now. We're gonna get on to the next ones. Oops, JK again. I forgot to cut out this thing. So, okay. What I do is I do it at the very most bottom. Yeah, I was gonna actually just use this top part. Then I'm gonna use this, actually. Now that looks good. Now I just need to cut off the back to make it even better. This actually is kind of tricky to get it straight online, but yeah, it is going to be pretty cool. Yeah, I don't think I should just leave them there. Yeah, I think that's gonna be cooler if I like stick them up here. I'll do that later. Okay, boom. Yeah, that's the only reason I stopped there. Does this look cool? Comment down below if I should like do this for all of them. They're gonna be staying indoors for a bit, so they won't get blown away. Yeah, comment down below. I just realized this soil is very heavy. Like, the tomato one is much heavier than this one while I was moving this over here. That's super weird. Like, I didn't expect it to be that heavy. Boom, we just got the dirt. Oh, that's not good. I found like tons of huge chunks that I have to break apart in like this single pot. This single like batch. There's tons of this clumpiness. Update, we just finished the dirting everything. That's a funny word. Dirting. Is that a word? Not good. These seeds are very tiny. Oh yeah, yeah, I forgot to tell you. I think you saw, but we're doing this, what's it called? Hot pepper, big Thai hybrid. Cool. We're doing that. Yeah, just like, these are so tiny. These look kind of really like the tomato. Why do I keep doing that? Boom, my hands are absolutely disgusting. But we have done it. Time to cut out. I can't forget this. Time to cut out. Oh, wait, what? This is not it. Oh, here it is, Yeah, this already looks normal, but I want to cut off the back. So yeah, this is going to be super cool. Oh, okay. Oh, we do not want this bad stuff. Okay, good. Oh, wait, no, it goes up here. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna keep that for now. Oh, that's not good. That doesn't, you can't. Okay, yeah, I guess that works. The camera was angled, so we couldn't get this thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna need to angle it a bit more up when I'm doing the garden beans. Same tiny seeds again. Oops. I just opened the seed packet and I completely forgot about the dirt. Oh my god, stupid me. Okay, let me just put them back in. Don't spill any. Good. Yeah, let's go get the dirt. Boom, we're done. This video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to talk less now because you guys know the drill. Do you guys think 3 seeds is enough? Yeah, I think so. Just comment down below, maybe. I'll already be done planting them. No, don't. Boom, we're done with, how much seeds is that? 2. With 2 seeds left. Let's drop them in the extra seeds. Good, now we have 2 pepper seeds? Sweet pepper seeds, and a bunch of peas. We have this, and now we have this. Boom, let's go, okay. Boom. Okay, video's getting long. I was just about to do it again. I like halfway cut it out and I was like, oh yeah, dirt. Happiness. I barely got any chunks. And I forgot again to angle the camera up. Yeah, that's better. Boom, we have the dirt in now. Oh, these seeds are completely different than I thought. Look at that. Because like in the picture, the seeds are green, or like the actual long things are green. They're actually brown. I did not know that. That's so weird. That's not good. They gave me a ton, and we only have like 10 pods. And yeah, I didn't mean they gave me a ton. I mean there was just a ton in the packet. If you were wondering, I'm not just gonna leave those there. I'm going to push them in. There's exactly enough to have 4. There's only 3 on the top eye because I pushed 1 in. Oh, BTW, this is the last one. Oh, the camera went down again. Ugh. Yeah. Yes. Okay, the video is nearly done. Yeah, it's probably gonna end at 10-12 minutes. But we finished that. Now time to cut this out. This like blue border ones, they're kind of like, you need to trim out more because I need to cut the blue border off or else like it'll be kind of odd. And here's the last one. I did that on camera because it's the last one. Oh, dude, that's pretty cool. Just like a strip. So, okay, let's set this up. Yeah, there we go. Boom, let's do like a full review. This is the hot pepper. This whole row is the sweet pepper. This whole row is the garden bean. This whole row is the super beefsteak tomato. This row is the peas. And this row is the cucumber. It says super salad slicer. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Please remember to like and subscribe. I shall see you on the next one.